Welcome to our channel. Glowing Star today, we're diving into the world of best pulse oximeters, your ultimate guide to finding the perfect device for monitoring oxygen levels and heart rate. Whether you're an athlete, a health enthusiast, or someone managing a medical condition, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we review top-rated oximeters, compare features, and share expert tips to help you make the best choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tech insights. Let's get started. Number 1. Insignia Pulse Oximeter. In terms of fit, setup, and display, the Insignia Pulse Oximeter scores high marks similar to the other devices on this list, an impressive achievement considering it's also the least expensive option here. It was quick to get to work when we added batteries, giving us our results on a clear, crisp LED display. We also noted that it had a good, snug grip around our fingers and a wide range to accommodate a variety of finger sizes. Our testing of the Insignia oximeter showed that its sensitivity could be either positive or negative, depending on the user's needs. If we didn't align or position our fingers correctly, the device would not accurately read our blood oxygen level. Number 2. WellU Wearable Oxygen Monitor. With app connectivity and a unique design, WellU Viatom stood out. It was stellar at detecting blood oxygen levels and gave us the tools to track and interpret our data. We were wowed by the design of the WellU, which slips over your upper finger like a ring instead of clipping onto your fingertip. The ring was comfortable to wear and vibrated when it was done taking the reading, which was displayed on the ring and sent to the app for review. The ring-shaped oximeter has a flexible material that allows it to adjust to different finger sizes. It is made of a silicone-like material that is comfortable to wear and fits well on fingers of varying shapes. During our testing, we found the app to be user-friendly and informative. It displays real-time blood oxygen percentages and heart rates and saves readings for future reference. Number 3. Zacurate Pro. Intuitive to operate and quick to read, so we've chosen it as the easiest to use. During our testing, we appreciated the wide range of adjustability offered by the Zacurate to accommodate most finger sizes while fitting snugly once in place. We were impressed by the large, bright display and the clear markings indicating our blood oxygen and blood pressure readings, making it easy to differentiate between them. Additionally, we found the magenta color to be a refreshing departure from the usual oximeter offerings, and it also makes it easier to locate the device if needed. We found this to be a simple and straightforward device, which is good for accuracy and ease of use. We found it extremely easy to operate, as it only requires turning on the power button and provides readings in a matter of seconds. It's an ideal device for anyone who wants a no-frills option that they can use without needing to go through an extensive setup process. Number 4. Innovo IP900 BPB. Innovo FSA/HSA eligible IP900 BP fingertip pulse oximeter is a cutting-edge, portable device designed to monitor key health metrics such as blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, pulse rate, and perfusion index (PI). This compact and user-friendly oximeter is FSA/HSA eligible, making it a convenient and cost-effective option for managing your health. It features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless integration with the free companion app for real-time data tracking, trend analysis, and long-term health monitoring. The device utilizes advanced plethysmograph technology to provide accurate and reliable readings, making it ideal for athletes, individuals with respiratory conditions, or anyone looking to monitor their oxygen levels and heart rate. Its perfusion index feature offers additional insight into blood flow strength, which can be particularly useful for medical professionals or those managing chronic health conditions. Number 5. Bearcom Pulse. The Bearcom Pulse Oximeter is a compact, portable, and highly accurate device designed to measure blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, and pulse rate for both children and adults. It features a user-friendly LED display that clearly shows real-time readings, making it easy to monitor health metrics at home, during travel, or in clinical settings. The device is equipped with a comfortable finger chamber, ensuring a secure fit for fingers of various sizes, and its lightweight design makes it convenient for continuous use. This pulse oximeter is powered by 2 AAA batteries, which are included, and comes with a lanyard for easy carrying and accessibility. It is ideal for individuals with respiratory or cardiovascular conditions, athletes, or anyone needing to monitor their oxygen levels and heart rate. The Pulse Oximeter is known for its high accuracy, quick response time, and reliability,